Detailed explanation on example of light to mechanical energy. We know that light consists of packets of energy particles called as photons. When such light energy particles are strikes with medium, they are converted into useful energy. Since mechanical can be divided into various forms, using those a brief explanation of examples of light to mechanical energy is discussed. Sunlight striking the earth. Sun is main source of light energy. When the sunlight falls on the earth, it can be used to do many works on the earth. The sunlight is now converted into useful mechanical energy when it strikes the earth. Solar water heater. One of the household example of light to mechanical energy is solar water heater, which is designed to boil the water using the solar panels. When the sunlight falls on the panel absorbs the radiation and the water in the tank connected to the circular pump gets heated. In this process, light is converted into heat. Heat considered as the form of kinetic energy, thus light is successfully converted into mechanical energy in solar water heater. Solar cells. Solar cells are work similar to the solar water heater, but the difference is solar cells converts light into electrical charges which can be then used for many useful purposes. The electrical charges has both potential energy and kinetic energy, thus the converted light energy in solar cell is regarded as mechanical energy. Hence solar cell sets a good example of light to mechanical energy conversion. Lightning. During rain we see the lightning in the sky produced due to collision of clouds. The light during lightning is converted into electrical charges on the sky. Hence the lightning is the natural phenomena of conversion of light into electrical charges. Thus lightning is the one of the best example of light to mechanical energy conversion. Torchlight while switching off. When you switch on the torch, it gives light. Here the stored charges in the torch are converted into light energy. When you turn off the torch, the light pulses are converted into charges possessing potential energy. Thus while turning off the torch, the light energy is converted into mechanical energy. Microwave oven. A household appliance that set a good example of light to mechanical energy conversion is microwave oven. The microwave oven uses the irradiation of light of the microwave region for the baking purpose. As the microwave radiation strikes the food kept inside the oven, the light is converted into heat, thus the food gets baked. Since heat is a form of kinetic energy, hence in microwave oven light is converted into mechanical energy. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process of absorbing the sunlight by the green plants are converted into nutrients, i.e., chemical energy. When the plant absorbs the sunlight, the carbon dioxide and the water reacts to form sugar or glucose stored in the leaves or root of the plants. During the process the water molecule splits into hydrogen and oxygen and the oxygen gets released to atmosphere. Since photosynthesis is possible only in presence of sunlight, thus it can be treated as example of light to mechanical energy. Laser cutting the metal pieces. Lasers used for cutting the metal pieces are the example of light to mechanical energy, as high-intensity laser beam were used as the cutting tool in the process. When the laser beam of high intensity is made to strike the metal broke into pieces. In this case, the laser is a form of light energy which breaks the metal by converting itself into mechanical energy. TV screen while turning off. The television screen turned off, conversion of light to electrical charges is example of light to mechanical energy. When the TV screen is turned off, the pictures on the TV screen vanishes. This is due to light energy is responsible for the pictures on the screen. As the TV is turned off, the light is converted into electrical pulses which are then converted into stationary charges possessing potential energy. Human body absorbing sunlight. For human body, vitamin D is very essential for proper growth. The sunlight are rich in vitamin D, which is absorbed by the human body are converted into chemical energy which are essential for the body for mechanical process. Thus sunlight absorbed by the human body is example for light to mechanical energy. The above example of light to mechanical energy uses the principle of indirect way of conversion of light energy to mechanical energy. There is some example of light to mechanical energy conversion in which light is directly converted into mechanical energy. Some of such examples are listed below. Optical tweezers. A recent invention which won Nobel Prize in 2018 is optical tweezers. The optical tweezers are example of light to mechanical energy conversion in direct manner. Optical tweezers consists of lasers which generates the photons. These photons are manipulated by pushing the microscopic object, causing the motion of the object in non-contact way. Using only laser beam, the particles are able to move in optical tweezers. Laser motor. Laser motors are the best example of light to mechanical energy conversion. A laser motor consists of two sets of lasers for irradiation. The irradiated laser pulses run the motor by converting light energy into kinetic energy. Since kinetic energy is a type of mechanical energy, thus light energy is converted into useful mechanical energy. Light mill. Light mill is also called as Crooker radiometer, converts light energy into mechanical energy using the principle of differential heating effect. It consists of an airtight glass bulb which is partially vacuum, used to reflect the garden light. They are also fitted with pair of vanes which are rotated when exposed to light, thus produces the electromagnetic radiation of high intensity as the rotation becomes faster. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.